Hi fans, in this very lesson, you're going to be looking at the second worked example on the law of multiple proportion. So quickly, let's see what we have right here on the board. Lead forms two oxides by reacting with oxygen. Analysis show this. So this is the first result of the experiment. 86.6 gram of lead combines with 13.4 gram of oxygen. And next, 92.8 gram of lead combines with 7.2 gram of oxygen, and show that this result illustrates the law of multiple proportions. Now, let's see if, according to this very experiment, if the law of multiple proportion is being obeyed. Now, we have two major experiments being carried out. Now, as you can see, lead is what we're talking about. Lead is the changing is the element with changing oxidation number. You have different measurement of lead. You have the first lead combined with oxygen to form, I don't know, this lead is not stated. This could be lead. Two oxide, it could be lead, four oxide. But the oxygen is constant. The oxygen is constant, but lead keeps changing. So we have multiple masses of the lead, involved in this whole reaction. So the next is 92.8 gram of lead also combining with 7.2 gram of oxygen. So let's quickly solve. Let's see if this, really shows the law of multiple proportion. So that's the first analysis. 86.6 gram of PB plumbum, which represents lead, combining with 13.4 gram of oxygen. So if that is that, so it means 1 gram of lead we combine with how much oxygen. Let's quickly solve that. 1 gram of lead will combine with, that's going to be X, that's 13.4 divided by 13.4 divided by 86.6. That will give us 0.1547. So 0.15 gram of oxygen. Let's assume that approximately to 2 decimal places. So quickly, let's have the second analysis. 92.8 gram of lead combines with 7.2 gram of oxygen. So that's 92.8 gram of PB lead combining with 7.2 gram of oxygen. Now, if this is what we have, it means 1 gram of lead we combine with how much oxygen? So that's going to be this divided by this. So that's 7.2 divided by 92.8. I'll give us 0.0775, approximately 0.7, 0.07, approximately 0.08 gram, of oxygen. As you can see, 1 gram of lead here combines with 0.15 gram of oxygen. Then 1 gram of lead also combines with 0.08 gram of oxygen. So you have the same lead, although the amount of lead is what really varies. So but you have the same lead here right now and different oxygen. You can just combine them. You're going to compare them. 0.15 gram of oxygen of O2 gas ratio 0.08 gram of oxygen gas. So let's quickly check this out. Now, if we get whole number ratios, it means this law is being obeyed. So let's quickly do that. 0.15 divided by 0.08 is about 1.8, so about 2 approximately to ratio 1. So this law is absolutely obeyed. So this 2 ratio 1, when you compare those all atoms of various elements combining together. So the law of multiple proportion is being obeyed. As simple as as ABC. So I'll love you to stay back for the take-homes that will get us tested. Okay, guys, it's high time we got ourselves tested with this set of questions right here on the board. So we have 2 major questions to test us, on how much you've gotten so far, from this very lesson. So we have the very first question. Show that the compounds sulfur 4 oxide and sulfur 6 oxide obey the law of multiple proportions. Now, the very first question is very simple. If you've been with me all through this very lessons, it's very easy. It's an easy piece. So the next is phosphorus forms 2 oxides by reacting with oxygen. Analysis of this oxides show the first 56 gram of phosphorus combines with 44 gram of oxygen. The next 57 gram of phosphorus combines with 43 gram of oxygen. show that this obey the law of multiple proportions. So these two questions are perfect questions to get us tested. So at this very point in time, we're drawing the curtain on this very lesson. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to the very channel on Edge Mosaic, and also follow me at Revelation over Facebook and share this lesson with others. See you in the next lesson. Thanks.